Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we appreciate all the support. Please like and subscribe to the channel and use the Amazon links below to shop. Even if you're buying something else, it helps support this channel. So we're going to try to save you some money here. You can't see it, but I'll bring you up close. We're going to work on the driveway here. It's asphalt driveway. It is almost 30 years old, so it's a long time for asphalt, but we're going to show you the problems we're getting here and how we're going to fix it before winter sets in. So here's some of the problem. You can see how we got some severe alligating here where it's getting all cracked up. You can see we put sealer on it before. The key to fixing this driveway, or really not fixing it, but for making it last longer, is we're going to come in and we're going to sweep this, and then we are going to hit it with a pressure washer. Here you can see some more here. We do this every few years, seal up the cracks. As long as these pieces don't come out, we got a good driveway. Let's get started. After we're done with the sweeping, we're going to get the pressure washer out. We always start with this head. And we just come over and start cleaning. Okay, we're going to bring you back when it's dry and show you the next step. Meanwhile, we're going to go do the rest of the driveway cracks. Oh, welcome back to My Two Good Hands. Hey, we are dry here and our crack is reasonably clean. To get these cans open, you got to go in here and pry with a screwdriver that you can bring out. So let's see if I can get it with this. It looks like you can get it with that. Look at that. Man, that's nice. Now, you will have to stir this stuff because you can see it's wet on the top. And now we're going to stir this stuff up here. We got a stick here. A paint stick will work once you get it broke up, but it will not work when you first start out because this stuff is thick. It's kind of going to be here for a while doing this. Hey, we're back. Okay. Eventually it gets this consistency here where you can we'll plow some in here, but then what you can do from here is see how it kind of pours out some of it. We'll pour some out right on the crack. We're going to work it into the crack. You want to make sure you work it into the cracks. Kind of push it in. What you want to do is not get any on your driveway like that. You want to get it off. That's all there is to it. We're going to go do it, and we'll show you when we're done. So when you're done and it's dry, it's going to look like this. We did go get some more so we can work on these cracks we didn't get to do. But here, let's take a look at some of the rest of it. You can see what we did here, and it's patched pretty well. Next thing will be to seal coat it in the spring, but we usually let this sit over the winter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, we appreciate all your support. Thank you very much.